if you have been bed rotting lately, this is a sign to get up with me because I have doing the same exact thing. My room is a mess. The more you look at it, the worse it gets. And I need to take out my trash. I miss being able to just lay in my bed and be at peace, like actually relaxed, not stressing about the mess around me. And I can live like this anymore, so I am forcing a reset. I was so sleepy right now, so I will clear all this thing and then going to sleep. These are all the things I have to organize now. Because I film at home and the outfit has to be updated. Next, I got this big white bag, and when I say big, I mean college girl survival kit big. It fits literally everything. It is a bit on a heavy side, but the space totally worth it. Then I also got this bag, which is way more lighter and super easy to carry. So now I basically have option depending on my mood. Then a pocket comb with a mirror. You never realize you needed it until your hair is a mess in uni. Lastly, I got some hair clips because you can literally never have enough of them. Now I will place all the things in the shelf.
doing?